Reason 6, why you should activate. The reason you are getting this message and link is because someone you know thinks highly of you. They believe you appreciate, understand, and know the value of generational learning. You see the need to give the next generation knowledge. They know you have knowledge to share. They definitely respect and value your views and opinions. So they believe this would be the best repository mobile app to achieve this. They are sending you this message and link so you can download the PPMO ecosystem mobile application for free on Play Store. This is for Android and iPhones. Test out this mobile app and see what an awesome, easy to use, effective and simple way to share your knowledge with the next generation. If you like, then register and start building your family knowledge bank. Take ownership of knowledge sharing. Remember to share message and link with your friends and network. You earn points for every referral activated. Let's spread the word and empower those we care about. Let your voice be heard for generations to come. Let's all get involved now. So download your mobile app now, activate in a few easy steps and start your family knowledge bank. PPMO ecosystem here. The People's Project Management Office. Awesome, have a great one.